I'm Janet, Try It Like It, Create It, and today I want to show you a fun technique using glitter. Now, I want to give credit where credit is due. I learned this at the art glitter booth, and they made this beautiful card for me, and I fell in love with the technique, and I don't have their products in hand right now. So I'm going off of that idea and doing it a little differently. So what I have here is a piece of cardstock, and I have stuck down a wide piece of double stick tape. And so I'm just going to take off the cover piece. And they used a lace piece, and it's reusable over and over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this flower stencil, and hopefully we can get similar results. So I'm going to go ahead and now coat this generously with some glitter. And I need to open up my container here. And I'm just using materials that I have on hand. I don't have theirs, but looking forward to getting it in the future. So generously covering it and just pushing it down into it. And I will say that they sell all the parts and the materials that you need to do this. So I want to point you in the right direction, even though that's not what I'm using right now. All right, so now I need to put this back into my glitter container. I apologize if I'm off screen at the moment. I was just putting my glitter back into my container. All right, so this is what we have so far. We have a band of blue through our stencil. And so now I'm going to lift the stencil off. And you can see what's left. And now, just want to clear off the excess of that blue. I don't want to put the blue into my gold jar. So you want to work with colors that work together well. These are the colors I have that I thought might work well enough together. And so now I'm going to go over this with gold. All right, and once again, I am going to push down so that it adheres to that double stick tape. And there is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? I love the look. That is so nice. And being able to do a whole sheet of it would be just beautiful.